Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, Max and I are at a very busy and exciting place. We are at the airport. It is a very large building with many people from all over the world.
Hello, I am so happy today because I am going on vacation. I am flying to a sunny beach with blue water. But I am also a little bit nervous because the airport is very big and I don't want to get lost.
Don't worry, Max. Traveling is easy when you know the right English words. The first thing we need to do is look at the signs. We need to find the departures hall.
Departures? That is a long word. Is that where the planes leave the ground?
Yes, exactly. Departures is for people leaving on a flight, and arrivals is for people coming home or visiting. Since you are leaving, we go to departures.
Okay, I see the big blue sign. Let's go to the check-in counter. I need to talk to the airline staff. I have my passport and my ticket ready in my hand.
That's right. Your passport is your most important document. At the counter, you need to drop off your big suitcase. Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, I have this small backpack. I will take it with me on the plane. I have my headphones and a book inside it.
Good morning. Welcome to Sky Airlines. Can I see your passport and your booking reference, please?
Here you go. I have them right here.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today, Mr. Max?
Yes, just this one large suitcase. It is quite heavy.
Please put it on the scale next to you. It is 20 kilograms. That is perfect. It is not over the limit. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat, please. I want to look outside and see the clouds and the tiny houses.
Here is your boarding pass. You are departing from gate 15. Please be there early. Boarding starts at 10 a.m. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Max, look at your boarding pass carefully. It has your flight number, your seat number, and the gate number. Don't lose this paper.
I will put it safely inside my passport. Now, where do we go? Do we go to the plane now?
Not yet, Max. Now we must go through security. This is where they check our bags and our bodies to make sure everyone is safe.
There are many people in line. It is moving slowly. What do I do with my jacket and my belt?
You must take off your jacket, your belt, and your heavy shoes. Put them in the plastic bin. You must also take out your laptop and any small liquids like water or perfume.
Beep, beep. Oh no. Why did it make that loud noise? Am I in trouble?
No, Max. Check your pockets again. Do you have any metal keys or small coins?
Oops! I have some change in my house keys in my pocket. Let me put them in the bin and walk through again.
Great. Now we are airside. We are in the departure lounge. This is a big area where we wait for the plane to be ready.
Look at all the beautiful shops. This is the duty-free area. I can see chocolate, perfume, and watches. Is it cheaper here?
Yes, usually there is no tax. But don't spend all your money before your vacation starts. We need to check the flight information board.
Let me find my flight. My flight is BX 123 to Spain. It says on time. That is very good news.
Yes, on time means there is no delay. Sometimes a flight is delayed, which means it leaves later, and sometimes it is canceled, which means it does not fly at all.
I am getting a little bit hungry. Can we get a sandwich or a snack before we board the plane?
Sure, but we must listen to the announcements on the loudspeaker. When they say Flight BX 123 is now boarding, we must go to gate 15 immediately.
Lily, what happens if I am late and I miss my flight?
Then the plane leaves without you. You would have to go to the information desk and buy a new ticket. But we are early, so we are safe.
Look through the big glass window. I can see the airplane. It is white and very, very huge. It has 2 big engines.
That is a very modern plane. It can fly for many hours across the ocean.
Attention passengers. Flight BX 123 to Spain is now boarding at gate 15. Please have your boarding pass ready.
That's you, Max. That is your flight. It's time to say goodbye.
Okay. I go to the gate, I show the agent my boarding pass, and I walk down the jet bridge into the plane.
Exactly. When you get on the plane, the flight attendant will smile and say hello. Find your seat number and put your backpack in the overhead bin above your head.
And I must remember to fasten my seatbelt when I sit down.
Yes, safety is the most important thing. Have a wonderful and relaxing trip, Max. Drink plenty of water and take many photos.
I will. Thank you for helping me at the airport, Lily. Now I am not nervous. I feel like a professional traveler.
Friends, let's review our airport vocabulary today. Passport, your official book for travel. Boarding pass, the paper ticket that lets you on the plane. Gate, the specific area where you wait for your plane. Security, the place where they check for safety. Suitcase, the big bag you check in. Carry-on, the small bag you take with you.
Friends, do you like flying in planes? Or do you prefer traveling by train or car?
What is your favorite country to visit? Do you like the hot sun or the cold snow?
Tell us in the comments. Using these words in a sentence is the best way to learn English.
If you liked our airport adventure today, please like the video and share it with your family.
and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. We want to help you see the world using English.
Every time you practice, you get better. You are doing a great job.
I hear the final call. I must run to the gate. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye, Max. Have a safe flight and a happy vacation.